If you love the zesty flavors of Mexican food and the comforting carbs of Italian food, you've just found their beautiful love child, Mexicotti. Mouthwatering cheesy chicken fills the manicotti and is topped with delicious enchilada sauce and Mexican cheese. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. In a saucepan, bring 12 ounces of chicken to a boil. You'll need to get 6 manicotti tubes ready to go. In a large stock pot or Dutch oven, bring 2 quarts of water to a boil and gently add the manicotti pasta. Boil for about 9 minutes or until al dente. When the chicken is tender, transfer them to a bowl, and while they're still hot, shred them with 2 forks until there are no chunks remaining. Now it's time to add your queso cheese. Add a little at a time, but you'll use about 6 to 8 ounces depending on your preference. Though I think with queso you can never really add too much. Am I right or am I right? Right. Then add a 1/4 cup of chopped scallions and stir them in. This is also the time to add any extra spices if you wish. Drain your pasta and stick them on a large plate. Place the chicken mixture into a large zip-top bag and cut the corner off about how wide you think the manicotti will be. Pipe in a little of the chicken mixture on one end and then flip it to the other side to fill the rest of the way. It helps to gently guide the filling in with your thumb to get it evenly distributed. Clean hands only before starting, of course. Continue this process with the rest of the manicotti noodles, making sure not to overfill until they're all ready. Sometimes manicotti likes to be a jerk and split on you. No worries. Just pipe in the filling, flatten it a bit, and then roll it back up where it'll be placed split side down in the pan. See, looks just like its friends. Pour a little enchilada sauce on the bottom of an 8x8 or 9-inch pan and coat the bottom. Place the manicotti in the pan, making sure to spray a little cooking spray on the sides where it may touch. Pour enchilada sauce generously on top to coat the pasta. I like a little hit of taco sauce on the top, but that's totally optional. Then top with 1 cup of Mexican blend cheese. Cover it and bake for 15 minutes and then 5 minutes uncovered until bubbly on top. This pan's mine. What you havin'? Mexicotti is one of the best food hybrids ever. Full of Mexican flavor, cheesy chicken, and that drippy enchilada sauce that grabs onto the grooves of the manicotti. Ugh. The melty cheesy goodness will make this a new dinner favorite for sure. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.